TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN, headline news update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday morning, 30 minutes into the trading week, and we got markets starting things off in positive territory. S&P is positive by 8 points, trading at 34.91. Got the Dow up 26 points, 28,632. The NASDAQ positive by 41. All the markets selling off from the highs that we had made just in the last half hour, though. Right now, we're looking at gold up about $2. Gold had been above 19.20, selling off as well. Right now at 19.09. Silver up 35 cents at 24.75. The oil contract up 18 pennies at 41.30. The NASDAQ, as we mentioned, off the highs. We're going to zoom into the sell-off. Quite a little sell-off. These are 5-minute bars we're looking at. We make a high in the markets at about 9:45, and we've lost about 80 points in the NASDAQ 100 at 11,869. The S&Ps, just since we started trading, we're as high as almost 34.94. We've given off about 10 points from that high intraday, that is, of now trading at 34.82. We got the Dow up 115 points. You see the action we had in all the markets on Friday. Quite a sell-off. We've clawed back some of those losses, but not quite the opening bell you would have wanted. When zooming in on the S&Ps on Friday, we were sitting at about 3,500, and quite the acceleration on Friday from 3,500 down to 3,460. We're currently sitting right in the middle of that range, but you can see that sell-off from about 830 up to the highs of 34.94, trading at about 34.82. Jumping over to the VIX this morning. VIX elevated at 28.10. Pretty interesting as you look at things, the sell-off we had. Now you zoom it back to where we were 3 o'clock on Friday. We're trading at 26.20 about. Right now, we're almost $2 higher at 28.10, even though we have the S&P, right, up about 20 points from where we were on the close of Friday. We have the VIX elevated as well. We're 15 days away from a presidential election. Pretty remarkable. We might get a debate this week. We got a Tuesday deadline for stimulus. Lots happening, and we got earnings season in full swing. We got Netflix. We got Tesla. We got Snapchat. We got a lot of companies. We'll go over them all next hour. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be coming back at 10 o'clock. Then, of course, we got Fast Market by TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim at 11. Basil Chapman at noon. Steve Rhodes at 1 o'clock. Dave White at 2 o'clock. And Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 4. My dad. Should be an interesting Monday in the markets. Indices holding off to gains, but off the highs in the last 20 minutes or so. We get the S&Ps up about 19 points right now at 34.82. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back in 3.